If you want to delete your account on ReelShort, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So first of all, go ahead and open up the ReelShort, okay? And as you can see, this is the logo, and you'll be redirected immediately to the dashboard or the home page. Let me close this window because it causes a lot of problems. So let me open up the ReelShort, okay? And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click profile at the bottom right, okay? And scroll a little bit down to the settings. Go ahead and click the settings, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna see an option to delete an account, and your account will be permanently deleted. Access the app using the account will be disabled, and just go ahead and hit the check mark right here. I have read and agree to the terms or to the above content, and double click to confirm. And basically right here, deleting your account will wipe out your VIP benefits. And basically, are you sure that you want to proceed? Please remember to cancel your subscription if it's still active, and then go ahead and double click to confirm that you want to delete your account, and your account will be permanently deleted. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.